Hi all, welcome back to CRN. This is Aishwarya. So today we are going to discuss about how to fix laptop brightness issues. So this video is basically for beginners. So let's start. First, use brightness keys. In the keyboard, just look for the sun icons, especially from F1 to F12, and use FN key also. So in the picture I will show, see, you can see two icons, one small sun icon and one big sun icon. Just press F and key and press these keys so you can increase or decrease your brightness level. And the other one is use Windows settings. Just right click your desktop, display settings, find brightness and color, adjust brightness using the slider. Just drag your mouse, increase or decrease, then the brightness will be adjusted according to that. Then the next method is turn off adaptive brightness. Adaptive brightness means the brightness will adjust according to your surroundings. In the phone you have that. So for that, control panel, power options, then click change plan settings, then click change advanced power settings. Under display, just disable the enable adaptive brightness. Okay, so I will show you. See, this is the thing, so you can adjust accordingly. The next method is update display drivers. Just press Windows and X, then you will get device manager, or the other option is just right click on your PC, then you will get it. Then expand display adapters, just right click, update the driver. I will show that. See, just right click of in the display adapters, then update it or uninstall it and reinstall it. Don't forget it. And the last one, the check power plans. So go to settings, system, power and battery. Switch to balanced or best performance mode. Avoid power saver mode for brightness issues. That means if this is set as on, if your laptop charge goes below 30% or 25% whatever, so this will automatically get on, this power saver issue. So the brightness will also get decreased. This might be an issue. So making use of these tips, you can fix your laptop brightness issues, I guess. So if you need more tips like this, just like, share and subscribe our channel. And see you later. Bye.